night activity we are still prohibiting, and we will take the permission of the company if in case we need night working. And HSCCS will remain same, is R3. We have to downgrade the situation, and we have to put additional safety measures when we are impairing the HSC criteria or HSCCES. Interface will remain same. This will, I am putting R4. If there is interfaces, we'll put the R4 and we'll take suitable controls while taking the permit 1 day before in advance. Going for instrumentation, so these are the list of activity have been identified in the instrument part. So replacement of field instrument, installation of isolator and boxes, installation of instrumentation cable and existing trenches, cable plant termination, and replacement of existing SOVs and MOVs at MP21, installation of new MOVs, replacement of existing field and reset solenoid valves, and modification in existing ESD matrix. And I think this is soft. This is soft, right now?
Yeah. One panel will come soft in the control room.
I think for this, I think this is not.
You can remove whatever is required. We kept everything. Many are related to soft only, sir.
This installation is physical.
This is physical. This is physical.
And modification, this is 1110. Okay. So guys, these are the physical instrumentation related job. So we will put the same category of restrictions for plant operation and startup cases from here to here, up to C4, and we will have the same kind of allowed category, and we will have same type of prohibition category for emergency drill as well as real emergency scenario up to C4. And weather will remain same because outdoor activities has to be monitored and controlled as per the ADNOC adverse weather procedure. And night work, as we agreed that there is no night work. If in case night work, then we have to take a special permission for this. For HSCCS will remain R3, and we will do the risk assessment to identify any controls so that we can prevent any major concern in terms of impairment of HSCCES. This will remain R4, and we will identify all the potential interfaces and put suitable controls. Now, a replacement of existing plant, this is also R1 only by R2.